In this video, I'm going to show you how to find USDT address on Binance. Open your Binance, right? If you love to find the USDT address, let's say you don't have USDT, right? And you love to find the USDT address, just click on this search, right? Type in USDT. If you type it in, it's going to come out, right? So click on it, just click on it. So this is basically your USDT address. Now, when it comes to sending crypto, right? There are things called the network, right? Network you can use to receive your tokens on chain. So if you click on deposit, they have the TRC network, BIP20 network, Aptos, Ethereum, right? So if someone tells you to send him or her your USDT AVAX chain network, right? This is what you're going to click, right? So as you not lose your funds. If someone tells you to send your stolen address, click on this. If they tell you to send your USDT BIP20 address, click on the second one, right? So this is how you can find USDT address on Binance. Once you click on any of them, your wallet is going to just come out, right? So I don't want to click on it because I don't want my wallet to be displayed, right? So this is basically how you can find USDT address on Binance. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.